Hi, today I'm here to speak to you guys about Kahoot. Kahoot pedagogy is a trusted learning space that encourages learners to be a leader. Kahoot allows students to be actively engaged while learning. Kahoot gives a lot of encouragement and positive affirmation, all while giving a sense of competitiveness. Leaders, they talk about leaders top when they answer the question fast, fastest answers, and the top leaders. They give a lot of encouragement throughout the quizzes. So today I'm going to kind of go over how to create a Kahoot. You would hit create, and there's three different options. You can do a quiz, jumble, or survey. So I'm going to go into a little detail about quiz first. Quiz, you'll need your title. You'll need a basic description. You will need to tell Kahoot where you would like the Kahoot stored, in your location, in your drive, Google Classroom, etc. Who you want to see it. Only you, everyone, your language. Credit your sources here. And any video as the teacher that you may have created or found that goes into the details of, gives the children more background if you would like. And you can also upload images like so here. All right. Now we're going to talk about jumble. So jumble is unique because the same thing, you would enter your title and etc., descriptions, as I stated. But the survey is cool because you could jumble is cool because you would put things in order and Kahoot will mix them all up. So if you're doing like a timeline, or maybe even like for me when I do spelling tests, I don't want kids to like memorize them 1 through 10. I want them to know them and know them on all kind of orders, because just because it's in 1 through 10 on paper does not mean that's the way I'm going to call it out. So that's really cool. Again, there's survey, so this is where you want to same thing, add your title, description, location, visibility, language, and credit sources, a video if you like, in a picture over here. Survey's nice because you can ask your children their opinions on a certain topic. Pretty much I just want to also get into a Kahoot that I created, and it was about famous American inventors. And as you can see, it tells you how much has loaded, how to play. This is kind of like the way the children will see the screen. So they can play 1-to-1. They can do team mode. Those are the two options. And you can see so far what to do to get ready to join. It gives you the PIN number there. And you would just wait for players and you can start. And then this is kind of like the questions that are there. Question 1, 2, 3, 4. Just want you to see the questions and how I added pictures on each. So that's how that works. You can challenge everything. So the other cool thing that I like about Kahoot is that you can get reports generated through Google Classroom. So here's the reports. You can see the overall the performance, how many questions were total, how many points they were. You can see final scores. You can see question summary. So this kind of shows you for question 1 who got them wrong, who got what right, and this helps students to see which questions they got right and which questions they got wrong, and as a teacher, how you can go back over those things. And same thing, you see in the green, that means they got it right. In the red, that means they did not. And it tells you how many seconds it took and things like that. And it goes on and on, like I said, till question 11, I believe. And it's just an awesome tool that even when we're going back over, what did I do wrong? What did I miss? It's awesome to be able to kind of self-reflect The only drawback I would say about Kahoot is that um, sometimes if you don't have you're not able to download the app, or if there's no internet access, that can be a little difficult, cause difficulty. Glow about Kahoot is that you can assign Kahoot through Google Classroom, if that is if that's something you guys use in your school. It's so much to discover on Kahoot. As I said, here they have, as a teacher, Kahoot is absolutely free for educators, so that's awesome. They have some example Kahoots that you can kind of look at or use at any time at your own leisure. There are just it's so much we could get into about Kahoot, but it's awesome. It's an awesome program, and you should try it. Thank you.